Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter uniques in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you say I have a data. So in this data there are some duplicate data. You can see the purchase ID, the 2 and 1, again 3 4 4. So some is a unique data and some is a duplicate. So here I'm going to filter only unique data. So let's start. Simply select the inside the cell of this data and use the Control A to select the entire data. After that, go to the Data tab. In Sort and Filter group, click on the Advanced option. And here, the Advanced Filter dialog box is open. In Action, the first option is automatically selected, and in List Range, the range also here automatically selected. If not, just click on this arrow, then select the area and data those you want to filter. I select the full data, then click on the arrow again and click on the unique record only. Okay, it means only filter the unique records here. Okay, just click on OK and that's it. Here you see only the unique records is filter. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. There is no any duplicate entries here showing. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.